Here is our list of the best robot vacuums you can get right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a flagship robot vacuum and mop designed to deliver near-total cleaning autonomy through cutting-edge suction, mopping, and smart automation technologies. It features hyperforce suction of 10,000 pascals, one of the strongest in the industry, enhanced by Carpet Boost Plus to deeply clean carpets and rugs. A breakthrough in edge and corner cleaning, it integrates the FlexiArm design side brush, which extends automatically for concave corners, and an extra edge mopping system that scrubs within 1.68 mm of baseboards. Its Viberize 3 sonic mopping system uses dual vibration modules to scrub floors up to 4,000 times per minute, with mop pads that lift 20 mm to protect carpets while vacuuming and mopping in one pass. The dual roller riser brush with dual counter-rotating rollers improves debris pickup and reduces hair tangling, ideal for pet owners. Advanced navigation is powered by Reactive AI 2, which combines 3D structured light and an RGB camera to recognize up to 73 obstacle types, supported by PreciSense LiDAR for precise mapping and DIR-Tech for adaptive cleaning of heavily soiled areas. The Roborock Ultra provides 8-in-1 automated maintenance, including auto-emptying, hot water mop washing at 60 degrees Celsius, hot air drying, auto-refilling, detergent dispensing, and optional plumbing integration. Smart controls via the Roborock app enable multi-level mapping, 3D visualization, custom routines, and video calling, with a built-in voice assistant for hands-free commands. The Dreame X40 Ultra Complete is a premium robot vacuum and mop engineered to deliver an advanced hands-free cleaning solution. It combines exceptional suction power of up to 20,000 pascal, provided by its 6th-generation turbo-force motor, with dual-function cleaning. Its Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush effectively captures debris and pet hair while minimizing tangling, while the dual-spinning mop pads can be lifted 10.5 mm to protect carpets. To ensure thorough edge and corner cleaning, Mop Extend RoboSwing and Side Reach technologies allow brushes and mop pads to extend into hard-to-reach areas. The robot features remarkable navigation and obstacle handling innovations. The ProLeap system with retractable legs helps it climb obstacles up to 6 cm, while the VersaLift retractable LiDAR lowers its height to just 89 mm, letting it clean under low furniture. Its AI-powered camera system, enhanced with dual lasers, 3D structured light, and LED illumination, identifies and avoids over 200 object types, including cables, shoes, and pet waste, even in dim light. The multifunctional docking station elevates autonomy, offering dustbin auto-emptying with up to 100 days of storage, hot water mop cleaning and drying, automatic refilling of water and detergent, and UV sterilization. Smart connectivity adds convenience, with app-based controls for multi-floor mapping, virtual zones, Clean Genius adaptive cleaning, voice control compatibility, and even remote video surveillance. Together, these features make the X40 Ultra a highly advanced and low-maintenance cleaning companion. The Roborock Qrevo is a flagship robot vacuum and mop that combines extreme suction, advanced navigation, and automated maintenance for a fully hands-free cleaning experience. Powered by Roborock's Hyperforce system, it delivers an exceptional 18,500 pascals of suction, capable of removing dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors with ease. Its dual anti-tangle system features the DuoDivide counter-rotating main brushes and a FlexiArm arc side brush, both engineered to resist hair wrapping, making it especially pet-friendly. For mopping, the Qrevo Curv uses dual spinning mop pads with consistent scrubbing pressure that can lift automatically by 17 mm when carpets are detected, allowing it to vacuum and mop in one seamless run. Navigation is enhanced by the AdaptiLift chassis, which can independently raise by 10 mm to cross thresholds up to 4 cm, and FlexiArm technology, which extends brushes and mop pads to clean deeply into corners and edges. With PreciSense LiDAR mapping and reactive AI obstacle avoidance, it intelligently navigates and avoids clutter, cables, shoes, and even pet waste, while offering features like pet snapshots and pet location tracking. Its multifunctional Dock 3 automates cleaning maintenance with auto-emptying into a 2.7-liter dust bag, lasting up to 7 weeks, hot water mop washing at 75 degrees Celsius, warm air drying, and auto-refilling. The Roborock app further elevates usability, offering multi-level mapping, 3D maps, virtual zones, custom routines, remote video calls, and a built-in voice assistant. The Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni is a flagship robot vacuum and mop that combines powerful suction, advanced mopping, and AI-driven navigation to deliver a highly automated and thorough cleaning experience. Equipped with Blast Large Airflow Suction technology, it achieves up to 16,600 pascals of suction, supported by a high-torque motor and optimized airflow design, ensuring efficient removal of dirt, dust, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. Its standout Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping System applies 3,700 pascals of downward pressure while scrubbing at 200 RPM, effectively tackling tough stains without streaking, while continuously washing itself to prevent dirt redistribution. The Zero Tangle 3 system integrates an arc clean side brush and cyclone-directed main brush to prevent hair wrapping, making it ideal for pet owners. The triple lift system adapts to floor types by lifting the mop on carpets, raising brushes to avoid scattering debris, or targeting spill cleaning, while TrueEdge 2 with 3D sensors extends brushes and the mop to clean edges within 1 mm. For navigation, IV3D3 with AI stain detection identifies over 100 obstacles and adjusts cleaning strategies, while D2F LiDAR ensures precise real-time mapping. The Omni Station maximizes autonomy with auto-emptying into a 3-liter dust bag lasting up to 150 days, hot water mop washing, hot air drying to prevent mold, and automatic water plus detergent refilling. Together, these innovations make the X9 Pro Omni a top-tier hands-free cleaning solution. The Roborock Saros Z70 is a premium robot vacuum and mop, designed to deliver an advanced hands-free cleaning experience with an emphasis on slim design, strong suction, and intelligent navigation. Standing at just 7.98 centimeters, it is one of the slimmest high-end models, made possible by the StarSight Autonomous System 2, which uses solid-state LiDAR and an RGB camera instead of a bulky turret, enabling it to clean under low furniture. Its Hyperforce motor provides up to 22,000 pascals of suction power, ensuring efficient removal of debris, dust, and pet hair on multiple surfaces. The DuoDivide anti-tangle brush system with dual rollers prevents hair buildup, while the FlexiArm riser technology extends the side brush and mop pad into corners, edges, and around obstacles, eliminating blind spots. For navigation, the StarSight system works alongside VertiBeam lateral lasers to precisely map rooms and detect objects near walls, while the AdaptiLift chassis raises by 10 mm to cross 4 cm thresholds and lifts mop pads when carpets are detected. The multifunctional 10-in-1 dock enhances autonomy, offering auto-emptying, hot water mop washing at 80 degrees Celsius, hot air drying, automatic water refills, detergent dispensing, and even automatic mop detachment for safe carpet cleaning. Smart features include app-based controls for multi-level mapping, cleaning customization, and virtual barriers. With a built-in voice assistant, remote video surveillance, and two-way calling, the Saros Z70 merges powerful cleaning with intelligent home connectivity.